Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
I was making the bed.
I was making the bed.
I was changing the bed sheets.
I was changing the bed sheets.
I was washing the dishes.
I was washing the dishes.
I was folding the laundry.
I was folding the laundry.
I was ironing the clothes.
I was ironing the clothes.
I was cleaning the windows.
I was cleaning the windows.
I was raking the leaves.
I was raking the leaves.
I was vacuuming the living room.
I was vacuuming the living room.
I was washing the car.
I was washing the car.
I was wiping the mirrors.
I was wiping the mirrors.
I was mowing the lawn.
I was mowing the lawn.
I was preparing dinner.
I was preparing dinner.
I was trimming the hedges.
I was trimming the hedges.
I was chopping vegetables.
I was chopping vegetables.
I was cooking pasta.
I was cooking pasta.
I was picking up toys.
I was picking up toys.
I was watering the plants.
I was watering the plants.
I was making a sandwich.
I was making a sandwich.
I was grilling steaks.
I was grilling steaks.
I was taking out the trash.
I was taking out the trash.
I was mopping the kitchen floor.
I was mopping the kitchen floor.
I was hanging clothes to dry.
I was hanging clothes to dry.
I was dusting the shelves.
I was dusting the shelves.
I was organizing the pantry.
I was organizing the pantry.
I was cleaning the refrigerator.
I was cleaning the refrigerator.
I was wiping down the counters.
I was wiping down the counters.
I was scrubbing the bathroom tiles.
I was scrubbing the bathroom tiles.
I was sweeping the hallway.
I I was sweeping the hallway.
I was changing the pillowcase.
I was changing the pillowcase.
I was tidying up the living room.
I was tidying up the living room.
I was rearranging the furniture.
I was rearranging the furniture.
I was pulling the weeds.
I was pulling the weeds.
I was planting flowers.
I was planting flowers.
I was setting the table.
I was setting the table.
I was baking a cake.
I was baking a cake.
I was roasting a chicken.
I was roasting a chicken.
I was making a salad.
I was making a salad.
I was boiling water for tea.
I was boiling water for tea.
I was making breakfast.
I was making breakfast.
I was frying eggs.
I was frying eggs.
I was baking cookies.
I was baking cookies.
I was making soup.
I was making soup.
I was stirring the sauce.
I was stirring the sauce.
I was cleaning the stovetop.
I was cleaning the stovetop.
I was packing lunch boxes.
I was packing lunch boxes.
I was washing the vegetables.
I was washing the vegetables.
I was doing the grocery shopping.
I was doing the grocery shopping.
I was cleaning the kitchen sink.
I was cleaning the kitchen sink.
I was brewing coffee.
I was brewing coffee.
I was cutting the bread.
I was cutting the bread. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.